Welcome everyone to my CHAINLINK price prediction for late 2023 December, aiming for discovering what's going on with this massive volatility crypto at a time the crypto had a strong dip. I'm not sure if you're aware, but CHAINLINK got most liquidations on the volume. So they liquidated tons of people, guys. So I thought it's a topic to spread some education, do some knowledge transfer to you guys, and make sure this is going to be a beneficial video straight on the point. We don't have Chainlink right now on trending's biggest gainers or biggest losers. It's good that it is sort of a way having its own roadmap and it's following through the process in a little bit different way. By the way, for those of you that would like to be part of my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, you can check the videos. We have 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024. You can check that out as well daily videos with price predictions like this one that I'm filming right now, including the ChatGPT AI bot trading that you can join with us. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. The whole trading is outsourced. It's through API trading permission, and the commission is paid every 7 days by you based on performance, pure profits, nothing else. We're going to talk about this one at the end, including the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there looking to be serious about the crypto stuff. If you want to take your business to the next level with active trading, whether we talk about day trading or swing trading, then this is a one-on-one coaching directly with me. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the conversation as well. So what's happening on Link? Well, Link is not in the best shape, to be honestly, right? In not sort of a way delivering those numbers of support reactions at the time the market is delivering bearishness. For example, this case and that case right there. I mean, every time we wanted to touch that supply level between 17.2 up to 18.2, there is a dollar in the price section. We've been rejected. The rejection is not minor. I'm going to zoom into for us to be able to have a clearer perspective on that. The rejective at first time was consisting 22%, guys, and this is not a joke. When you do 22%, I'm telling you, you liquidate so many people, you hit the stop losses of so many people out there, hundreds of millions of dollars on the board, tens of millions of dollars liquidations, and a lot of people stopped out, especially with the trailing stop losses that you're using. So it is a situation out here in the markets that is quite heavy for Link, not for the long term, yet for the current term, where you have here a very, very deep volatility in the market, consisting straight an increase, basically printing 29% in 17 days, but then you dump straight away 20% in about 2 days, right? So again, that 20% that we have been facing, that major dip the entire crypto space had, BTC dipped as well, we had Ethereum, anyone suffered. Now, during that situation, I've seen the charts with Chainlink. It had the most liquidated volume on the markets in a specific segment of time. And this is insane for an altcoin, which pretty much tells me that people has been out there over leveraged, doing it wrong, and losing money by liquidation or stop losses. So this is a huge problem, guys. You definitely need the proper education on the topic before you touch that. Trading, especially the active trading, whether we talk about derivatives on the futures with leverage or not, it can generate you huge amounts of money. It can generate you the financial freedom you're looking at. But at the same time, you need to have a certain level of knowledge and skills to achieve those things, because otherwise it will just be a very, very costly business. We are still finding our support. I mean, there is a huge level here of fight going on. At the top, you have the supply. At the low, you have your demand level, which is a conjunction between the golden pocket and the demand zone between 2.5 up to 13.5. So 12.5 and 13.5, right? Those are the levels. And on top of that, you're also entering in a game with a 50 days moving average line. So right now, in the way we're actually portraying the numbers, we have the ability to zigzag in this area for quite some time, which is definitely not bad, right? To be zigzagging around this area for quite some time, and that at some point, you're taking the low of a structure which has been made, you're taking the low. You're triggering stop losses, liquidations, and you're generating volume for the whales to buy at these prices. With that liquidity, they will push the markets back up and trigger basically great profits on their P&Ls. Meanwhile, you're going to be left out. All the retail guys out there that don't know how to trade are going to be, again, chasing the pump later on and buy the tops, which is just a fueling and making the whales to make more and more. This is how it works, guys. Be careful that Chainlink is in a scenario, in a situation that represents high volatility and difficulty of active trading on any type of medium or high leverage existent. Spot trading, low leverage is the only way to make during active trading on Chainlink great profits during these days. But you still need to pay very high attention on the rest of the things that are needed to perform on those markets. What's happening with the moving averages that we're actually correlating the 100 days and 200 days that are following naturally and very organically and healthy the market situation, which is great. I mean, we got to catch up on the things. I would like to see the 100 days coming into the current demand level and breaking through that. So I definitely want to see basically the 100 days moving average above 12.5, which means that it's going to be part of the support. Now it's not, it's much lower. The other great sign is we successfully broke out of the 200 days moving average of the supply zone at $9.5. This is pretty much an amazing sign for the future of Chainlink. Don't forget, that's a 200 days moving average. So the future looks great, yet you need to be very careful with the current situation because this can be easily painful. Now, what about levels above? When we talk about levels above, I don't think it's easy to touch those. 55% is where the next level is needed to be touched, which is quite far away from us, which is why I would actually portray and say that the next supply is going to be, again, the target that we're going to touch and fight with. That 17.5, 17.2 up to 18.5, 18.2. Those are the levels we actually care about. And I would like to see Chainlink by the year of 2024, especially when it starts, to easily break out of those and handle the process accordingly. I want to make sure that we're not going to lose 50 days moving average or 100 days moving average, as well as the current golden pocket and demand level. We don't lose it before the New Year's is going to end, or New Year's is going to start. Right, so that's where we are, folks. That's pretty much all Chainlink. Once again, for those of you that would like to be part of the movement, make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep in touch. Like this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments area, including the ability for you to join my AI ChatGPT bot trading. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made, which are paid by you every 7 days. You can write me, drop me a message, ask me questions on the topic, and jump on a free conversation with me on the topic, including the ability for you to call me on the coaching side. I'm working out of these things for passion. I have a lot of the trading going on in the back end. We have active students. Make sure to check out the video on explaining how does it work, sharing with you my screen, and teaching you exactly step by step how do I do my technical analysis to understand what does the market communicates with me so I know what to react. Strategies, indicators, live trading, homework exercises, mindset, psychology, everything that a trader needs, which is a pretty complex person in order to perform profitable long-term trading is difficult, guys. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon, and we're looking forward to it.